I'm Damiyr. I'm 34 years old, and I'm from New York City.
My name is Chris Clafford, and I'm a singer from Sweden. I'm from a very small village called Hägernäs. The village only had like 6 houses, and a family member of mine lived in all of those houses, so it was we were close as a family.
No, I didn't have a lot of support. I grew up in group homes and foster homes. I've had stage fright my entire life. Singing in the subway was sort of my way of getting myself out there, but in an environment where people don't care. When I mess up in the subway, no one hears it, because they're not listening. But
they just walk on by.
Exactly, they don't care.
Welcome to America's Got Talent.
It was out of control. I almost fainted. There was a moment I was like, around and around and around and around we go.
Going forward, you've got to do something we've never heard before, and that means taking risks.
But when you face a fear and someone looks at you and say, take a risk, it's like, oh, I gotta really, really face this fear even deeper.
Damiyr.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Do you want to introduce yourself, please?
My name is Damiyr. I'm from New York City. I play in the subway.
Good luck, Damiyr.
Say something, I'm giving up on you. Sorry that I couldn't get to you. And I will swallow my pride. You're the one that I love, and I'm saying goodbye. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Yeah, yeah. I'll be the one if you want me to. Whoa. Anywhere I would follow you. Say something, I'm giving up on you.
I swear to God, when I come home.
Wow!
I'm gonna hold you safe.
I feel moved by that performance. It was really good.
I swear to God, when I come home, I'll never let go.
That was brilliant.
Yeah.
Just brilliant to take the track away, let us hear you. And boy, did we listen.
Like a river I flow.
I've never heard anyone sing that song with the passion and the intensity you did. It told us so much about you. Really, really memorable audition. So you've given yourself a real shot here, Damiyr.
Thank you.